How to edit a photo in Photoshop. Now let's say I want to edit this photo here. So what I'll do is I'll drag this and take to this Photoshop. I'll open this. So this is the image I want to be edited. So these are multiple tools here. Let's say if I want to select the area and do selective color grading or things, I can do that. But so we will basically use these, all of this stuff. Like this has this vibrance option. As you can see, the colors have been increased. And I'll go to this selective color option and change the color which is present. Let's say blue is present here. So if I will select this, you can see that blue has been affecting, and it is affecting. I'll go here to this levels option and select the colors here. So you can play with all of these things in order to edit the photo. And then another thing that you can do is you can simply go to this filter option and select camera raw filter, and here you can also edit the photo according to your need. So this is how you can edit photo in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.